How to install Eastern Bank mobile banking apps. This is a new app. As you can see, it has new in the title. There was Eastern Bank mobile banking old app, and this is a new app. It's quite weird. They just added new to the app title. But yeah, at least that's just what it is here. Eastern's new mobile banking app is now available for select users. Please continue to use our current app until you receive a notification to install this new app. Secure, fast, and easy to use, Eastern Bank's mobile banking app puts you in control. View balances, transfer money, make payments, and deposit checks anytime, anywhere. Access to your accounts, instantly log in with Face ID or Touch ID, easily move money, good, evolves. So and then here, whether you have an account or not, you can also sign up, and then you just being redirected to Eastern Bank from here. Or you can just get started from here.